Hey yo, what's up? My name is PooCluster, and today I'm going to be showing you guys the next update to my game. Woo! Let's get started. So the first thing you'll notice is boom! I have animations now for the title screen. Uh, so how animations work, let me explain it to you. It is basically just 75 still images, and you play them, and it becomes an animation. I decided to use images rather than objects in the game. Like I could just move objects, right? Like sky blocks or sky tiles. I could just move it from left to right for a certain amount of time, but instead I decided to use animations because I wanted to get some practice on doing animations like that, because in the future I think maybe I'll implement cutscenes into the game. Who knows? So the next thing is I added a system where you can save even if you can save and load even if it does not exist here. So let's say I go in here. Boom. Alright. So now I save. Alright. So now you can see we have a load and save. So when I load, boom, we load into here. Also, if you notice, whenever I load now, it resets the counter in survival mode, which it used to not be able to do. Next thing is I fixed and implemented some blinking animations. So first is my animation myself. I fixed the animation with myself. Here, we'll just turn this off really quick. So you can see I blink consistently now. Back then I used to disappear for a bit of time sometimes whenever I blink, and it was just really gross and nasty. But now I blink consistently throughout the entire duration of my invincibility period. Also, I implemented more blinking animations, so when you attack the enemy, it it blinks, so now you know if you hit the enemy or not. Um, Next is I fixed jumping in the air, so it's kind of like double jumping but without your second jump. So it's a mechanic in my game. So when you run off a ledge, right? You run off the ledge, but in the middle of this running off the ledge, you can jump no matter as long as you are able to jump, you can jump. See? So you can jump in the middle of the air, and that's that. Back then it used to glitch and you would fall really fast down if you tried to uh jump in the middle of falling. So next, I fixed Joe's death sound. So boom. So back then there was an issue. Every once in a while Joe wouldn't make a death sound. So I fixed that. And then I also fixed left, right, plus jump. So if you hold left and right at the same time, right, and then you jump, it animates the jump no matter what. Back then it looked really weird. Next I fixed when you jump, when you press both left and right, the direction doesn't change. So this is based on which direction Sticky was last facing. So if I hold left here, he's still facing left. If I hold right, if I'm going right and I press left, he stops, but he's still facing right. Back then he used to be able to face right. Next is I made the energy ball go faster. So if you didn't notice, I'll shoot some. Boom. It's pretty fast now. That's just a minor change. It's not really an update. Well, it is an update. Yeah, okay. I basically made menu clicking a crap ton more satisfying. So here you can see the menu, right? Very beautiful as always. But now when you left click, boom, you can see that the box, it depresses down, and then when you let go, depending on where your mouse is when you let go, the menu will either change or not change. So if I let go within this box, boom, it will change to the next menu state. And if I press it and then let go out here, it cancels the action. So for instance, if I accidentally press exit, oh no, well, I still have a chance to not exit. So if I let go out here, boom, it cancels it. It's really convenient, and this is how I really wanted my menu to be. So I'm really glad about that. It took a really long time for me to figure out how to do that. But yep, that's all I got for you guys today. Thanks for watching and have a good day.